Hey, wait a minute. Let a man get in here. This is man work.
Wait a minute.
What? You know what you're doing?
I do. I got it.
She got
I know
it.
why he called you. Remember me? Showed me how to do it right.
Oh, with the
We were doing it wrong that whole time.
Okay, here we go. Let's see. 11.7 volts. There it is.
We did it. We did it. The breakdown.
What?
Yeah, we just I had to help you out. I had to get you together.
You had to call Edward.
No, I didn't call Edward. Edward was right. He saw us.
You had to call Edward.
Who opened the hood?
Damn.
I opened the hood. What you talking about?
Who put that up?
What up?
Right there. That piece. The
Oh,
hood
that
up?
stick. Oh, thank you, Tom. Thank you for putting
I put the stick up.
I got it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
I got it. I got it.
You gonna put the hood down?
Yeah, I got it.
So much.
Yeah. This man's work.
You saved me.
Oh, thanks. Good looking. Oh, see, Detroit is still cool. Detroit is, I thought that was old boy.
Cool.
Big
Dollar
Dick
Bill?
Ricky. We thought that was Big Dick Ricky.
Yeah.
That looked like Dollar Bill for
I
me.
thought I was going to handle my business.
Talking about the handle of business.
You know, I don't play. I'm real protective of my comedians.
Roney cares.
All right, Roney cares.
You got me with Roney Care?
Roney cares.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Roney Care, I'm supposed to have a new goddamn car.
Don't worry. I got to get in office first.
Oh, shit.
We out here
Okay.
living it up, nigga. We got Journeys, we got Nissans.
President.
Yes. We did it.
Life, nigga. Everybody buy a Nissan.
We did it. Another episode. Tony Roneys Comic Vibe.